Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing kind of a chatty get ready with me video, just showing you what makeup look I'm going to be wearing on Thanksgiving. It's nothing like extravagant. I kind of just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys because I haven't done that in like a month or so because I've just been doing Halloween makeup looks and fall makeup tutorials. So I just wanted to do like a chill video, kind of catching you guys up on everything. So like I said, the makeup look is going to be very simple today. I don't really do anything extravagant for Thanksgiving just because I literally just stuff my face on Thanksgiving and I don't want to be wearing lipstick or like heavy foundation or anything like that. During Christmas is usually my time where I like amp up my makeup a little bit. So I'm first just going to start by taking the Becca Backlight Priming Filter Focus, and I'm just going to put that everywhere on my face. So I just kind of wanted to catch you guys up on my life a little bit. Since I did start like an actual job, my life has kind of been a little bit different the past couple of weeks because I haven't had like a job where I get up and go to it in the morning and like I stay there for 8 hours a day. I guess ever. I've never really had like an 8 to 5 job before. I did have beauty school that I went to 5 days a week, 8 hours a day, and I've done like little part-time jobs when I was younger. So this has been kind of like an adjusting period for me. I've been really getting used to like getting up super early in the morning and like staying on schedule and like having meals prepped and trying to fit in filming whenever I can. So it's definitely been an experience. I'm first just going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in Fair Neutral. And I'm just gonna put this on my eyelids to hide my veins. So I don't know if everyone knows that's watching this video, but I started working at a cosmetic tattoo studio a couple weeks ago, like officially working. I've been training with the studio and I've like been kind of working for them for months now, but like I just officially started like working in the beginning of November. It has been so fun and so stressful at the same time. I had to finish up school and take my state test, and like that was really stressful. So I'm very glad that's over and like I'm officially a licensed tattoo artist, and it's been really fun. Like I really missed having clients and like doing work on people's faces rather than just like doing makeup looks on my face. I really missed that. So this has been really fun getting back into that. I just went ahead and you know what? I'm just gonna write the products down in the description box. If I don't mention them, everything will be down below. I just feel like I kind of want to talk and I don't want to stop myself from showing you guys products. So yeah, it's been an interesting month so far. I'm having a lot of fun. I have been sick for like a month now. I don't know if you guys have noticed in my recent videos, like I didn't have a voice in some of my Halloween makeup look videos, and like this cold just hasn't gone away. So I went to the doctor yesterday and I have a sinus infection, so I'm starting to take antibiotics. It was so weird. Like I had like a weird 24-hour flu like a month ago, and then a week later I caught this cold and it just has not gone away. It's been the most frustrating thing. So I finally was just like, I need to go to the doctor. It's just been like a little tiny head cold is what it feels like, and then I have like a really phlegmy cough, and occasionally I'll lose my voice. Like right now I feel like my voice is kind of going away. It's just been really annoying, and I think a lot of it has to do with stress. Maybe it made it worse because I like never get sick, and of course the one time that I get sick it turns into a sinus infection and it doesn't go away. So for my eyes I'm just taking the Aspen Ovard Tarte palette. This is like one of my favorite palettes. I don't think it's in stock anymore because it is a collaboration with a YouTuber, but I just went ahead and took this color Tea Time and put it in my crease, and then I'm gonna take the color Heart of Gold and mix it with Endless Summer, and I'm gonna put that on my lids. Just a very simple eye look, nothing too intense. But yeah, this has been a really weird and fun month, just like getting used to having a normal job. And I really love microblading and like tattooing. It's so fun, and I feel like I was kind of meant to do it. I do have so much to learn. Like I'm gonna be learning for years and years after this. Like it's just gonna be like a non-stop learning experience for me, but so far I'm having a lot of fun, and it's so rewarding to have clients that come in with like eyebrows that they hate and then they end up leaving with eyebrows that they love, and their confidence is boosted so much more than when they came in. So that's a really good feeling. And also a lot of you have been asking if I'm doing wedding makeup again. Yes, I am doing wedding makeup again, but I'm only doing it in the studio. So I'm not doing traveling freelance work anymore just because That's honestly a lot of work, like traveling to a specific area. And I've traveled like hours before, and I just can't really do that again. You don't really get paid enough for the work and the time that you spend traveling to these people's weddings. So I am just gonna stay located in the studio in Portland. I'm gonna be doing wedding makeup. I don't know how many clients I'm gonna be getting because like normally brides want to get ready where they're getting married or like a bridal suite or whatever. So I'm gonna see how that goes. Maybe I'll start freelancing again, but right now I'm just honestly too busy for that. So I'm just gonna be doing bridal makeup in the studio. I know there's a lot of ladies that follow me that are from Portland that have been asking me about that. Like I get a lot of DMs and emails that I'm not really able to reply to all of them. So I just wanted to address that in this video. Just letting you guys know what's up with that. But yeah, that's basically it for my life update in the last month. It's just basically been finishing up school, getting my license, and starting work at the studio, and that's literally it. No, but I have really been looking into buying a house like fairly soon. I'm really tired of renting an apartment. I love this apartment, don't get me wrong. It is truly my favorite place that I have lived so far. It's just really me and my sister's own like sanctuary. We have our cats, we have everything that we need and want. It's really a beautiful place, but living on the 3rd floor, not really having like a backyard where my cats can roam around in, not having a garage, just those little types of things are really starting to kind of get to me. And also I'm just so tired of wasting my money on rent. This place really isn't that expensive, but I just would rather be shoveling that amount of money into a mortgage so I can end up owning a house and not just kind of like wasting that much money. But also, I don't really know if I want to live in Portland for that much longer. Like, god dang it. Well, there's gonna be sparkles there. But yeah, I don't know if I really want to live in Portland that much longer. I don't really know if I like the Portland area that much. I love Oregon. Oregon is truly like my favorite state, but Portland area, I don't know if I want to stick to it. It's really rainy here. It's kind of dirty in Portland. Driving in the city stresses me out. There's just some things that I don't really like, and if you guys know me, you know that I hate rain. And me and my friends have been visiting Bend a lot, and you guys aren't gonna know where this is if you don't live in Oregon, but Bend is truly, it's like in southern Oregon, it's truly just so nice. It's kind of like a smaller Portland, but it's so clean. Everyone there is so nice. They get like 100 more sunny days than Portland does. They get snow every year. I love snow. It's right by the mountain. It's right by my favorite lake. And I just like, oh my God, it would be a dream to live there. So I don't know, like I don't want to buy a house in the Portland area if I'm planning on moving in a couple years or so. So that's where I'm at with my like living situation right now. I'm kind of back and forth. I literally look on Zillow every single day trying to find a house, and there are so many cute houses in the Portland area and like right by where I live currently. There's so many cute houses in Bend. I look every day on Zillow. It's kind of a problem. But I am gonna be working at the studio for a while, so Chloe and I will probably just end up staying in this apartment for a couple more years or so. We've been living in this apartment for 2 years. Can you guys believe it? I feel like I just moved in here. It's been 2 years. I actually just went back and watched my empty apartment tour vlog that I did the day that we moved in. It was just so weird to see how young I looked. Even 2 years ago, like I looked so much different. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing falsies on Thanksgiving. I haven't decided yet. Also, I used the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy just above my lash line, just to add a little extra pizzazz. But anyways, today I'm gonna be adding half falsies, like just on the outer half of my eyes, and I'm using the Iris Beauty lashes in Empress. Also, I kind of wanted to ask you guys, a lot of you have been telling me that I just need to keep doing like Halloween makeup looks like the ones that I did in October all year round. I literally gained 30,000 followers in the month of October just from my Halloween makeup looks. I didn't realize that they were in such high demand. I didn't realize that people liked watching them that much. I just like to do them during Halloween time because it gets me in the spirit. But would you guys be interested in seeing those types of those types of looks, like costumey looks throughout the year? I just feel like they're kind of out of place if they're not during Halloween time. Let me know your thoughts. They are very fun to do, so I mean, I wouldn't mind doing them year round. But I feel like that would also kind of make it less special for Halloween time when Halloween does come around. Like doing Halloween makeup looks, if I do it all year round, kind of makes it a little less special if I do it throughout the year. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this Becca primer just because I wiped it off. Okay, and now the face is gonna be really simple. It's pretty much just like what I do every single day. I don't wear foundation anymore unless I'm doing like a dramatic makeup look or like I'm going on a night out. So I'm just gonna take that Tarte concealer and I put it just on these spots on my face. I also take the shade Light Neutral just because the other one's a little too light for me. And I will just blend that out in those spots, and then after that I'll just like drag it out on my face just to give a little bit of coverage. So I kind of just wanted to talk about also my schooling for getting my tattoo license, because a lot of people have a lot of questions. Oregon's like one of the few states that requires you to get or to go to school to get your tattoo license. So you have to go to school for 360 hours and you have to do 50 tattoos in order to graduate, and then you have to take your state licensing test. Whereas like in other states, you just pay to get your license. And also in Oregon, I'm not sure about other states, but you have to get your CPR training, bloodborne pathogen training, and first aid training. So it's a lot of extra steps. It took a good amount of time and was kind of stressful just because kind of like an unknown thing in Oregon unless you really do your research. At first I thought that I could microblade with my aesthetics license and I just had to do like extra training or something to get certified. Nope, you have to get like your full-on tattoo license in Oregon. Okay, then I'm just going to bake my face with the Nabla Cosmetics setting powder, and I went to pretty much the only cosmetic tattoo school in Oregon. It's called Tanya's Beauty School, and you know, it's just like every other beauty school except for you're tattooing people's faces, and it's not really the funnest experience because you're doing all this work and you know, you don't get paid for it, but you are learning and they give you what you need to get your license done. So a lot of people were asking me like how I got my license, what I had to do, just because it's like not really a talked about thing. Yeah, I should have wrote down a list of what I needed to talk about. I had like a bunch of things and now I'm drawing a blank. Oh, one thing I did want to mention, it was kind of a while ago, but I haven't mentioned it on YouTube yet. Me and my sister went to a My Favorite Murder live podcast show and it was so fun. It was so cool to see Georgia and Karen live. They are like so funny and so quick and witty. For some reason, I thought that on the podcast, it would edit their talking and like cut out pauses or something to make the conversation like sound like it's flowing better, but no, like in real life, they really banter back and forth like that with each other. They are so quick and witty, and it was really, really awesome to see them live. Let me know if any of you guys went and saw that show live too. I know there's a lot of murderinos that watch my videos as well. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, they have the podcast called My Favorite Murder, and it's just about like true crime, and they're also like comedians, and so they joke around a bit and kind of make it a little bit more lighthearted. But I personally love true crime. I think it's so interesting. I think serial killers and like cults and all that stuff is so interesting. So if you guys like that stuff too, but you don't really like super intense stories or you get scared by that stuff easily, My Favorite Murder is a good podcast to listen to. Then I'm just going in with some blush. This is the Tarte 24-Hour Blush in Exposed. And then for highlight, I'm going in with the Ofra highlight in Pillow Talk. This is literally my favorite highlight ever. It's so pretty and I wear it every single day. Even if I'm not wearing makeup, I'll just put this on my bare face and it just makes me look a little bit more alive and awake. A lot of you are also asking about my eyelash extensions and why I haven't kept up with them. During the Halloween videos, I would use a lot of fake lashes and I ended up ripping off a bunch of my own lashes, so that was not smart. That's something you should definitely not do if you have lash extensions. But I kind of had to for my Halloween makeup videos. Like I needed big intense lashes. And so right now I'm just kind of letting them recover and get back to their normal state before I go back to lash extensions. I love lash extensions so much. Like, it kind of hurts me that I don't have them on right now. Setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. All right, and that is it, ladies and gents. That is all I'm gonna do. I'm not even gonna put lipstick on because we all know I'm gonna stuff my face with mashed potatoes and green bean casserole and rolls and vegan stuffing and vegan gravy and all that good stuff. I'm just so excited. Literally, Thanksgiving food is my favorite food of all time. Mashed potatoes are my favorite food of all time, and that is what Thanksgiving is about. No, I'm just kidding, but seriously, I'm not kidding. Anyways, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic Thanksgiving. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. See, I can't even think. Bye, guys.